Mga pulis pati yung mga military kikinig sa akin. Just do your duty. Arrest them in accordance with the law. Ngayon, kung diskumpiyado ka, tanungin mo yung inaaresto mo, ano ba ang accordance with the law dito? Nagsabi kasi ni Presidente, to arrest you dead, alive, or... Yan man ang pinakamaganda. It is not prohibited by law to say that. Neither is there a law which says that I will kill you if you destroy my country. At ikita mo ang Shabon, lumulutang dito sa west side, lumulutang dito sa araw-araw na yan. And you read the briefer which is published in the TV. Nakita naman ninyo puro buhay. But sometimes there are days, apat yung makita ninyo and which is patay. But there's always the explanation. Lumaban yan. Kahapon,